This is Mamuni. Thank you so much for being Amar Baba Ma. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Breaking news, big news. In a notification issued on 24th February, the Ministry of External Affairs, that is MIA, has amended rules or has made important changes in the process of getting a passport in India. In this video, I am going to tell you about all the new passport rules 2025 and how many types of passports are in India right now. In other words, big passport updates in India. So, let's get started. New rule number 1. The new passport rules 2025 dictate that for children born on or after 1st October 2023, the only valid proof of date of birth is a birth certificate issued by the Registrar of Births and Deaths or the municipal corporation or any other authority empowered under the Registration of Births and Deaths Act 1969. Rule number 2. To prevent revealing personal information of the passport holder, the Ministry of External Affairs, that is MIA, has decided not to print the person's residential address on the last page of the passport. The details of the passport holder can be retrieved by the immigration official by scanning the barcode on the passport. Rule number 3. In cases such as children of single parents and names of estranged father or mother's names will not be printed on the last page of the passport, but clarity is expected from the parents while applying for application of passport. Rule number 4. Marriage certificate or the name of the spouse is not required as annexure K is removed according to the new passport rule. Rule number 5. Annexes a self-declaration form which no longer needs attestation. Annexes A, C, D, E, J and K have been removed and some are merged to reduce the processing time. Rule number 6. For urgent passports, government employees can submit a self-declaration form if the employees are unable to get a no objection certificate, that is NOC, or identity certificate from their employers. Rule number 7. New color coding system. The government of India has also introduced a color coding system for passports. The government of India primarily issues different types of passports. A. The blue passport, also known as the ordinary or Type P passport, is given to Indian citizens for their travel to countries outside India for business or profession and personal. B. The white passport or the service or Ace type passport is given to high-ranking Indian government officials traveling overseas on official work. C. Maroon passport, also known as the D-type passport, is given to Indian diplomats, Union Council of Ministers, members of Parliament and high-ranking officials on diplomatic duty. Moreover, senior level officials of state governments are also issued D-type passports in specific cases. Maroon passport holders enjoy extensive benefits like visa-free travel to most countries and priority in the immigration process. D. The orange passport, which was used for individuals requiring immigration check required, that is ECR. The orange passport used to be given to individuals without formal education up to class 10 levels traveling for work outside India. The ministry decided to stop issuing orange passports in 2018. Such categories of people are now covered under the scope of the blue passport, which is meant for all ordinary citizens. You must be wondering why the new passport rules 2025 regarding the birth certificate rule is mandatory for children born on or after 1st October 2023. Well, according to government officials, passport rules regarding the date of birth had not been updated for a long time, mainly because many rural residents did not have birth certificates. But with the stricter enforcement of the Registration of Births and Deaths Act 1969, birth certificates are now the only recognized proof of date of birth for those born on or after 1st October 2023. Now, the question arises, what about the people who are born before 1st October 2023? Well, according to the notification dated 24th February 2025 for people born before 1st October 2023 can submit any of the following documents for date of birth proof. Number 1 document: transfer certificate or school leaving certificate or matriculation certificate issued by the recognized school last attended or recognized educational board having the date of birth. Number 2 document: permanent account number or PAN card issued by the Income Tax Department having the date of birth of the applicant. Number 3 document: copy of an extract of the service record of the applicant or the pay pension order, both applicable only for government employees, duly attested or certified by the officer in charge of the administration of the concerned ministry or department of the applicant having his or her date of birth. Number 4 document: driving license issued by the transport department of the concerned state government having the date of birth of the applicant. Number 5 document: election photo ID card issued by the Election Commission of India containing date of birth of applicant. Number 6 document: policy bond issued by Life Insurance Corporation of India or public companies having the date of birth of the holder of the insurance policy. Number 7 document: Aadhaar card. Number 8 document: for minor applicants, they have to submit the consent form of both parents. Present address proof in the name of the parents. The minor applicants also have to submit the self-attested copies of their parents' passports to the Seva Kendra if any. Last but not the least, online police verification. Online police verification is not a document, but it is a step in the passport application process. How to apply for a passport in India? Well, you can apply online or visit a Passport Seva Kendra. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your precious time. I sincerely hope this was helpful.